Oh, by the way, guys, hold on. I wanted to say this. When it gets really loud, just hide, because that was when they all came out.
Yeah.
It got really loud.
There's 2 extractions, guys. We're cooked.
Oh my God! Why
Yeah,
do they make this so difficult?
Look, if we get past this, we're good. We're good. All right, I'm gonna push the cart.
How much money do we need? Yeah.
How do you have full health so far?
9,600.
I have 76.
Wait, no, grab my neck one time. Yo, grab my neck one time. Yeah,
Sketch, they got you in a picture, bro. Sketch, you're in the game, dude. Look.
Yo, that is not me.
They put him in the game.
That's
Sketch.
not me.
That is
You
you.
grab your neck for the health, okay?
Really? Really?
You want to go left?
Is that me?
Lord, look at this corridor, guys. Guys, this is bad. That's you, Sketch. All right, y'all clear the way a little bit.